Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my daily life as a student who tries to live on a budget, especially when it comes to food. Being a student means I don't always have a lot of money to spend, so I need to manage my meals carefully. I live in a small boarding house near campus. Because of my limited budget, I try to save money by eating simple and cheap meals in the morning. For example, I don't usually buy expensive breakfast. Instead, I prepare something simple like instant noodles, boiled eggs, or just bread with jam. Sometimes, if I don't have time, I only drink coffee or tea before class. At lunchtime, I usually eat at the campus canteen because the place there are more affordable compared to restaurants outside. I often could choose basic meals like rice with vegetables, tempeh, or tofu. It might not be luxurious, but it is filling and keeps me energized for the rest of the day. Sometimes, if I want to save even more money, I bring food from my boarding house, like fried rice that I cook in the morning. In the afternoon, when I feel hungry, I usually buy small snacks such as fried bananas or traditional street food that is sold around campus. They are cheap and tasty, and they help me avoid spending too much on bigger meals. Dinner is usually the most flexible part of my day. Sometimes I cook simple meals in the boarding house, like noodles, fried rice, or just rice with instant seasoning. Cooking at home is cheaper than buying food outside, but since my kitchen is limited, I cannot cook many varieties. When I don't have time or energy to cook, I buy food from a small food stall near my boarding house. I always choose the cheapest menu, usually rice with vegetables and one piece of chicken or tempeh. Living on a student budget also means I cannot buy fast food or go to fancy restaurants very often. Of course, I would love it too, but I know that saving money is more important. Instead, I try to be creative with my meals. For example, I share food with my friend, or sometimes we cook together at someone's boarding house to reduce the chores. Even though my meals are simple, I'm still grateful. Eating modestly teaches me how to appreciate food and manage money wisely. It also makes me more independent because I learn to cook and plan my spending. Before going to bed, I usually prepare some snacks for the next day, like biscuits or instant coffee, so I don't have to buy too much outside. By doing this every day, I can survive on a small budget and still, yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.